In this video, we are going to learn about the octet rule and how to construct dot and cross diagrams to show the covalent bonding in hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. When two hydrogen atoms bond, the shells overlap, and because each atom has only one electron to share, there are two electrons being shared over two shells. These are represented by a dot and a cross. Which noble gas configuration does this correspond with? Pause the video, which has two electrons in its outer shell. As a result of electron sharing, each hydrogen atom now has also got two electrons in its outer shell. In the next example, we are going to consider oxygen. It's in group 6. Therefore, how many electrons does each oxygen atom need in its outer shell to fulfill the noble gas structure? Remember, oxygen has 8 electrons in total, so we would need to fill the second shell. Pause the video and continue when you're ready. The answer is that each oxygen atom needs 2 more electrons in order to fulfill a noble gas structure. This is also called the octet rule. In this example, the octet rule is fulfilled because each oxygen atom shares 2 electrons in the outer shell, forming an O2 molecule. If you count the number of electrons in each shell, you would notice that each shell has 8 electrons shared, which is the ideal. When you draw a dot and cross diagram, wherever possible, you should ensure that A, the electrons are equally spaced, and B, that they are paired. The fact that there are 2 shared pairs of electrons in the middle, where the shells overlap, means that the oxygen molecule O2 has 2 covalent bonds connecting each oxygen atom. This is known as a double bond. Nitrogen atoms have 5 electrons in their outer shell. How many electrons do you think it will need to share to fulfill the octet rule? Pause the video and continue when ready. If you said that there are 3 electrons available to form a shared pair, you'd be correct. You can see that there are 3 shared pairs of electrons in the overlap of the shells. This is called a triple bond. You should also notice that this example fulfills the octet rule.